Hey guys, this is Sam. Today I will be showing you how I ride my motorcycle. So, let me go out the door and get it. Oh, here it is. It's in the house. I guess I can ride it in the house. Okay. Turn it on. Ready, guys? Y'all are taking a little trip. And in the next time, I will be doing a challenge. I've never done a challenge before, guys. Bye, guys.